Okay, this is finished now, right? Is it okay? This is star. I told you many times. This is star question and guaranteed question. Still, you will learn. Okay, actually, I by mistake I said 3 times. Other batch they're writing 5 times each. Okay. Anyway, now I said no. You write 3 times each. Okay, everyone write 3 times each, except Adira. Okay. Okay. So now, are you okay? Everyone okay or not? This is the problem. You know, you are facing trigonometry. Okay. So question number 19 we are doing. Okay. Okay. Kavya. Okay now. Okay, so you supposed to write because you didn't answer. No, you attended that class, correct or no? Question number 10 you attended, right? Okay, so look at here. So next question, next one, it is a simple but star question. Look at here. X equal to R sine A cos C. Y equal to R sine A sine C. Z equal to R cos A. Look at here. We have to find out what x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Look at here. I'll show this one. It's very important questions. X square, straight away, right? X square plus y square plus z square equal to x square r square sine square a cos square a plus r square sine square a cos square a plus r square cos square a. Okay, correct or no? It's just squaring r square sine square a cos square c plus r square sine square a sine square c plus r square cos square c. Here, this one common here. Take it outside. R square sine square a into cos square a plus something wrong. Okay, sorry, this is sine square a. Okay. Sine square a. Okay, that is sine square a plus r square cos square. What is this one? Cos square a plus sine cos square a plus sine square is what? 1. Okay. So r square sine square a plus r square cos square a. So that is r square into, that is answer is r square. Whereas, look at here, man. Just square it. Whereas you are sleepy, that's why. Okay, after biryani, right? Whereas, yeah, look here. Question is what? Check the question correct or not. I copied. Check with your book. X equal to r sine a cos c. Y equal to r sine a sine c. Right? And z equal to r cos a. Okay. So then correct question correct. Okay. Then x square r square sine square a cos square c. Yeah, cos square c. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay. Plus okay. Let me check the question correct. See our notebook. No, x equal to r r sine a cos c, r sine a sine c, and z equal to r cos a. Okay. So here r square sine square. This also c. Okay. Wait. I'll explain again this. Look at here. I made a mistake in the question. Look at here. Look. Listen here. I am more confident about this question. Okay. So here x square plus y square plus z square equal to. Question all correct or no? Okay. R square sine square A cos square C plus R square sine square A sine square C plus R square cos square A. Okay. This one common. Okay. R square sine square A common into cos square C plus sine square C plus R square cos square A. Okay. This is part is 1. R square sine square A plus R square cos square A. That is R square into sine square A plus cos square A. Answer is what? R square. I hope now clear, right? Is it okay now? Okay, so now question number star 20. Okay. Last part again what? Only one part only this one. Abhishek. Just square. You have x, you have y, you have z. Square and add. But last part what? R square sine square A plus R square cos square A. R square take it outside. Sine square A plus cos square A is what? Abhishek. Sine square A plus cos square A is what? One. Okay, finish. R square into one. That is R square. Finish. Okay. Okay. Again, finish. Okay. So next question. Copy the question. Question number 20. Copy. Everyone have a question, right or no? Okay, copy question number 20. Now we reach half of the star. Okay. Question number 20. Okay. Here, x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta into cos theta. Well, x sine theta, okay, my equal x sine theta equal to y cos theta. Y cos theta. To find x square plus y square equal to 1. X square plus y square equal to 1. Okay. Okay, look at here. I'll show this one. Look at here. Down right. You can take two equations. You make it this one minus y cos theta equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2. Just like a linear equation, two variables. Okay. Hello. Listen all. Our question was x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta, and x sine theta equal to y cos theta. I make it this one side, x sine theta minus y cos theta equal to 0. Okay, we are going to find x and y just like a linear equations in two variables. Look, you see where y cos cube theta here, cos theta here. So multiply the equation 2 with the cos square theta. Are you okay? 2 into cos square theta, which implies x sine theta cos square theta minus y cos cube theta equal to 0. Number 3. Is it okay or not? I don't have doubt. Listen here. The first equation, listen. The first equation is x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Second equation is x sine theta minus y cos theta equal to 0. Here cos cube theta, here cos theta. So make it multiply the second equation with the cos square theta. X sine theta into cos square theta minus y cos cube theta equal to 0. Agree or not? Is it okay? Now add 1 plus 3. What happened? X sine cube theta plus x sine theta cos square theta equal to, this one cancel, sine theta cos theta common, x sine theta common into sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to sine theta cos theta. This part is 1. So x sine theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Cancel. X equal to cos theta. Number 4. X equal to cos theta. X equal to cos theta give to here in equation number 2. You find out y. Then x square plus y square you find out. That you do it. Okay, then you find out y, then find first. Okay. Okay, listen here, Sreya. Look, the first equation is what? X sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Equation number 1. Go to the linear equation, two variables, same. Once again, x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Second equation, x sine theta equal to y sine theta. Sorry, x sine theta minus y cos theta equal to 0. Correct or no? Then, when you check here, here y cos cube theta, here y cos theta. We are going to make the coefficients of y. So, second equation multiply by cos square theta. Okay, x sine, here, x sine cube theta, this one, x sine cube theta already there, x sine cube theta cos square theta minus y cos cube theta, because only cos theta here, cos square theta equal to 0. Then adding 1 and 3, x sine cube theta plus, okay, correct or no? Then, oh, this, right, here, no, okay. And then x sine theta cos square theta equal to sine theta cos theta, because adding 1 and 2. Then x sine theta outside, sine square theta cos square theta equal to sine theta cos theta. So we got x sine theta equal to sine theta cos theta, x equal to cos theta. Then x equal to cos theta, give to here. Look, I'll show you here. You can see that word here, no? X equal to cos theta into sine theta equal to y sine theta. Sine theta cancel. So y equal to sine theta. So we got x equal to cos theta, y equal to sine theta. Then x square plus y square equal to what? X square plus y square equal to 1. Now, okay. Okay. So now first 20 over, right? Clear now? This first 20, anyone have doubt? If first 20, okay, our test is tomorrow up to first 15 only, okay? So now, listen, 21 to 39. Actually, one more question there is 40 there is, okay, that I'll give you later, okay? 21st to next all very difficult questions. Those who are updated 1 to 20 only we can do it. Are you sure? No doubt from 1 to 20. Clear or not? I asked one question, you didn't answer, no. Why all guys, Jonathan, why late? I told you to upgrade your Zoom app. So you didn't do that. That's why now they're facing problem. Okay, so, okay, question number 21. Are you ready or not? If it is not ready, it take 5 minutes, go through the 1 to 20. Then all you can do it. Other batch, we finish this paper. Okay, I'll give 5 minutes. Okay, we'll start from 3:35. Okay, 3:35 we'll start, because you are losing 5 minutes because of you didn't learn anything. Okay, what batch we did now? Batch B, they requested yesterday to finish it, so I gave a break, 10 minutes. Sorry, 15 minutes. Then start again. So continuous 3 hours. Finish this paper. Okay, so I'll start now. Go through all the 1 to 20. If any doubts, I'll clear it. No problem for me. 1 to 20, make sure it. Go to the notebook. 1 to 20. I'll start only 3:35 onwards. Okay. Okay, so I'm starting now. Otherwise, we won't finish it. Okay. Because I need the background of 1 to 20. Then only you can understand this one. That's the problem. Like you didn't learn question number 10. So you face problem in other question, right? Like that. Because just now we noticed, no, you didn't learn question number 10. So you face problem in question number 18. Okay. Okay. So next question, look at here. Question number star 21. Look, m equal to, don't write now, listen here. M equal to cosec theta minus sine theta. So we can write this one 1 by sine theta minus sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta by sine theta equal to cos square theta by sine theta. You did already this one, right? Then n equal to sec theta minus cos theta 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta equal to sine square theta by cos theta. Okay, copy this one. Okay, this one we did already, right or no? Okay, so copy again. Sakshi, what happened to your net? Okay, so now we are going to the question. Listen here now. Look, our question is careful this question. Okay, here. Let me write the question. M square n whole raised to 2 by 3 plus m n square whole raised to 2 by 3 equal to, listen, don't write now, this is m. So m square what? Cos raised to 4 theta divided by sine square theta. N. We don't want this one. Sine square theta divided by cos theta whole raised to 2 by 3 plus m cos square theta by sine theta into n square sine raised to 4 theta divided by cos square theta whole raised to 2 by 3. Okay, are you okay or not? Hello. We got we got m square, we wrote n m and n square. Okay, now here sine square theta cancel, cos theta and cos raised to 4 theta, cos cube theta whole raised to 2 by 3 plus this one cancel, this is sine cube theta whole raised to 2 by 3. 3 cancel, cos square theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Okay, copy first. Star question. Okay, some question this batch I cannot do. Question number 30 I can do because you not updated your portions. I'll drop difficult question today, okay? Because you didn't learn now. That's the problem. Okay, so next question, look at here. Question number 20, you try yourself. It's very simple. We have m. So it open m square, a plus b whole square. Open n square, a minus b whole square. Then add, you'll get m square plus n square. You try yourself. Okay. You just find m square, then find n square, then add. Abhimanyu, 17th, are you sleeping in class? 17th, what I said, 17th. Okay, you write all question 4 times each, just all 3 times. Okay, 17th, what I said. You remember or not? So that's the problem. Okay, today also I said 17th what to do. One of the students asked me doubt about 17th. Then I explained how to do 17. Last class also explained how to do 17. That means you didn't check the question. Can you check the question number? Question number 12 and 17. Can you check? Question number 12 and 17. Can you check? First you check question number 12. Question number 12 and 17, both are same question. You couldn't recognize that? Okay, so write 4 times each. Okay, till 17, you write 4 times each. Okay, the last page, give to your father, get signature and send me. Not send all paper. Okay, everyone like that. Only last page, sign and send me. I need tomorrow's before 10 o'clock. Otherwise, I won't check your paper. Everyone, so except Adira. Okay, now we try this one. Question number 22. Just square m square, then n square, add it, you will get it. Okay. Jonathan, you got? Okay. Gulf Indian, how many days holidays? Eid holidays. Till Tuesday. So Wednesday only next class, right? Wednesday and Thursday. Okay. So GI, DPS, in other schools. Bhavans, nobody here. Okay. My Bhavans is the Shraya. Okay, you have extra class on. Only DPS students attend. Okay. Extra class on Friday at 9:15. Okay, Lakshmi. (9:15), okay, till 11:15 or 11:30 and until finish. I hope we can finish all the not much difficult questions now. So we'll just go through all the portions. We cannot start early, right? We have tuition, right? Okay, no problem. 9:15. Okay, no problem. 9:15. Okay, and okay, no problem. Okay, next week we'll change the time a little bit. Okay, maybe 4:15, because next week office will starting, right? Next Sunday onwards. Yeah, actually, no need to go to office. Everything we can do at home. Next Sunday, man. This guy is sleeping, Abhishant. Kavya, you are in DPS or which school then? Okay, so what I said, all DPS students from batch A and batch B. Okay. Because you have test Saturday, that's why we arrange the class. Okay. So so you have to prepare it. You can listen, DPS guys, preparation. Read the reader, number 1. Number 2, work out examples, exercise 3, exercise questions, your school assignments, okay. Then examiner, okay. Examiner underlined, okay. Chance to come from examiner, okay. Don't go for very difficult questions, okay. Then our notebook. Okay. What, Vishal? You slept this timing, 3 o'clock, and you slept. Maybe heavy Eid biryani and all. That's why. Vishal, oh, slept at 11. From 11 to 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 hours to slept. My God. See, I'd have the lunch after the class only. Okay. Faraz slept from morning onwards. Oh, good. Till 4 o'clock. Mahabharata, there is one character like Faraz. I forgot the name. Anyone remember? Yeah, yes, correct. Yes, exactly. I remember Faraz that. Okay. Umbaran, right? Okay. Okay, so next, okay, you got question number 22 finish or not? Question number 22 finish or not? Everyone, clear or not? That's in the Ramayana. Oh, okay, correct. Yes. Ramayana is a part of. No, sorry. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. You're right. Kulin, yeah, you're right. Thank you. Okay. Some part still the Mahabharata, some part not in India. Correct or no? From where Gandhari started? Which place? That's in Afghan now, right? Yes, Afghanistan. Kandahar, right? Exactly, Kandahar place. And in our national anthem, some place not in our place now. Which one? Which one that? In national anthem, not Kashmir. No. Where is it? Lakshmi Sindh. Yes, Abhishan. Exactly, man. Okay. Okay. So look at here. So next question number 23. I'll show here. Okay. 23 m equal to, listen here. I'll show. Don't write now. M equal to a cos theta minus b sin theta. No, wrong. Equal to c. A cos theta, okay, a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to c. Prove that a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus c. Okay, don't start. I'll show this full. Okay, look. So on a star question, a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to c. Prove that a sin theta minus a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to c. Prove that a sin theta plus. Okay. Hey, come on. Correct or no? Okay. Listen here. We want a square, b square, and all. Look, don't write now. A cos theta minus b sin theta whole square equal to c square. Why? We want a square, we want b square, we want c square. Open. A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab cos theta sin theta equal to c square. This is okay. Look, a cos theta minus b sin theta square. Why? What is the intention to squaring? Because our answer, look, a square, b square, c square. It is c square also there is, okay? C square also here, okay? Then, clear now? Our intention is what? Our requirement is a square there is, b square is there is, c square there is. We just square it. We got a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab cos theta sin theta equals c square. Okay, then look at here now. But our Jonathan, listen. But here a sine theta. Unfortunately, here a cos square theta. So what we will do? A square into 1 minus sine square theta. Here sine only will need, plus b square into 1 minus cos square theta minus 2ab cos theta sine theta equal to c square. Are you okay? Clear or no? I just change cos square theta 1 minus sine square theta. This is 1 minus cos square theta. Agree or no? Actually, from this chapter, you can decide whether you can proceed with the math life. Okay. Look, open the bracket. A square minus a square sine square theta plus b square minus b square cos square theta minus 2ab cos theta sine theta equal to c square. I just open the bracket. Now look at here. Keep here a square plus b square minus c square. This all going that side. A square sine square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab cos theta sine theta. Okay, what is this one? A square sine square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab cos theta sine theta. What is that? It is a plus b whole square. Correct or no? So that is a sine theta plus b cos theta whole square. Therefore, a sine theta plus b cos theta equal to plus or minus. Correct or no? Plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus c square. Reason what? A square equal to 25, a equal to plus or minus 5, like that. Okay, check now. If you are getting asked this question, one of the star question, using same idea only, we are going to do question number 35. Okay, I'll wait 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, no problem. Abhishan, do it now. You said, Jonathan, you got. Okay, I'll explain here. Okay, just copy first. Okay, look at here then. I'll explain this question. Look at here. Hello, listen all. Does your doubt? Look at here. Okay. You can write. You can see here or not? No, I don't see. Okay. We squaring on. Listen all. I'll explain this whole question. Okay. The plan is why we squaring means because we need a square, b square, and c square. So this one is given. This part is given. Squaring on both sides. What do you get? A square cos square theta plus b square sine square theta minus 2ab cos theta sine theta equal to c square. Just normal x minus y whole square. X square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay. Look at the requirement. A sine theta. Unfortunately, here a cos square. That cos change it. A square into 1 minus sine square theta plus b square into 1 minus cos square theta minus 2ab cos theta sine theta equal to c square. Okay, open the bracket. A square minus a square sin square theta plus b square minus b square cos square theta minus 2ab cos theta sin theta equal to c square. Okay. Then now this one together, a square plus b square minus c square. This is getting from the RHS. Jonathan, okay now? A square plus b square minus c square equal to, this is all going that side, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab cos theta sin theta. This one, a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square. Therefore, a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to plus or minus. Okay. Now clear now. Okay. Then, okay, finish it first. Those who finished, you can try 24th one. Okay. Okay, so next 24th you got or not? Hello, 24th. I'll give a hint. You studied last year a plus b plus c whole square, right? A plus b plus c whole square. So try that one. Okay, so 24th, finish all, right? So you did 24th. Everyone okay, 24th, right? Srishti, look at here. Okay, so listen here. 1 minus sine theta plus cos theta whole square equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. Okay, open. You know, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Okay. Then 1 square plus sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta. Now 1 plus 1 minus 2 sine theta. Look at here. Minus 2 sine theta cos theta, 2 cos theta. Minus 2 cos theta outside, sine theta minus 1. Agree or not? Right? Minus 2 sine theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta outside, sine theta minus 1. 2 minus 2 sine theta. I took minus outside, plus 2 cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. 2 into 1 minus sine theta plus 2 cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, so this is common now. 2 into 1 minus sin theta common here, 1 plus cos theta. Okay, write fast. Okay, so Srishi, okay? Okay, look at here. Question number 25, star 25. Sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Prove that cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta equal to 1. Look at here. Sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta equal to 1. Now, look, this is very important question. This is not an identity, just a condition. Look at here. From here, sin theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. Squaring on both sides. Listen, squaring on both sides. Sin square theta equal to cos raised to 4 theta. This is number 1, number 2, this is number 3. Go to here. 3 substitute here. Cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta sin square theta equal to 1. Finish. Okay. This one, what I had explained, man. I did. You got answers, Lakshmi? What I did just one line, 2 mark question. Look, sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Then sine theta equal to the sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta. Squaring on both sides. Sine square theta equal to cos raised to 4 theta. Okay. Then this here, instead of cos square theta, you can write here what? Sine square theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to what? 1. Right? Why not understand this one? Even our cat also can understand. You listen here. What? Sine square theta plus cos theta is what, Michelle? Cos square theta plus sine square theta only one man. Michelle, what are you writing? Okay. Till 4 o'clock he slept, then coming and asking now cos theta plus cos theta 1. Okay, next question, right? Proof 26. You try now. 26, try. You try yourself. Question number 26. If you want, you can start from LHS, then get RHS. Or start from RHS, you'll get LHS. Okay. So we got sure. Start from LHS or RHS. LHS. Okay. Okay. Finish all. That's all. Finish. Anybody have doubt? Finish all. If you have doubt, tell me. It's a star question. One of the star. Okay. Okay, Mansuri. Okay. Star in star against star. What you can say? Okay, I have a question. Anyone have this Orido net is using? Orido. Yeah, how is it? Good. Orido 5G or 4G? Is it good or not? Sometimes stop. Netgear has 5G and 4G. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's slow sometimes. Okay. That depends on the area. Okay. That's okay. This STC okay now for me. Okay. Look at here now. This question number 26. Okay. Look. Sec raised to 6 theta equal to tan raised to 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta 6 square theta plus 1. Okay. I start from LHS. LHS equal to 6 raised to 6 theta. Okay, this one 6 square theta whole cube. Correct or no? 6 raised to 6 theta, 6 square theta whole cube. So 1 plus tan square theta whole cube. A plus B whole cube. A cube plus B cube. Tan square theta whole cube plus 3 into 1 into tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. A cube plus B cube plus 3 into A into B into A plus B. 1 plus tan raised to 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta 6 square theta. Look at here. 2 lines, you'll get 4 marks this one. Okay. It's a 4-mark questions. For all got. Okay. So complete first. That's all. Copy, guys. Copy. Whereas copy man. Oh, really? Whereas tamam. Whereas what's special today? Yes. Oh, okay. I don't like biryani. I don't like that also, sweet sauce. Okay, I hope this after maybe September, October, everything will be okay, like before. It's my guess. Maximum November. Yeah, because nothing happened to the world. Correct or no? If it is a flood or earthquake, okay, some damage will be there, physical damage. Nothing, no damage. Correct or no? No, the world physical conditions in March 1st, May 24th, same only. No damage in physical damage. That means if it is a flood, physical damage. if it is earthquake, physical damage. Okay. People died comparatively. Listen here. Comparatively, it is less. 2018. That number only available now in the World Health Organizations. 2018, 15 lakhs people died. TB. 15 lakhs. This maximum. Don't die like that. Maximum maybe 5 lakhs. Okay. Out of 700 crores people. Out of 700 crore people, 5 lakhs is nothing. After that, our bus will be full, our train will be full, our metro will be full. So nothing. This is just like a normal cold because there is no medicine. So you take rest like that. Yeah, now 3 lakhs. Maximum maybe, okay, at the final extent, 10 lakhs. That's people all, they have some other problem there, heart, liver, or kidneys issues and all. Normally people die, no. That's why I'm telling you, just check the site. 2018, how many people died with TB? 15 lakhs people. Road accidents, how many people died every day? Alcohol, how many people died? Okay. Yeah, that is right, Abhishek. That is correct. But that's why if everyone comes to the hospital, there is no place like now it's happened in the US. Even India also now like that. Per day 6,000 per day. You saw today's news. No, corona more people don't die. Death rate is very less. Hospital nothing to do, Michelle. Hospital nothing to do. Okay, just isolate and keep like that only. If you're flat, you can stay there. That's all. Now here also like that only. Okay. So next question. Look at here. Question number 20. 27. 27 is related to, listen, 27 is related to 25. Question number 27. 27 is related to 25. Can you try this one? Try now. 27, same steps, then you try. Okay. It's 1. I don't know. Okay. Uh, 27, look at here. Sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Then sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta equal to cos square theta. Okay, now look at here. I'm not writing this full. Listen here. Cos raised to 12 theta, we can write cos raised to 4 theta whole cube. Correct or no? 4 into 3, 12. Plus 3 cos raised to 10 theta, we can write 3 cos raised to 4 theta whole square into cos square theta. Plus 3 cos raised to 8 theta, we can write 3 cos square theta cos raised to 4 theta into cos square theta whole square. Then cos raised to 6 theta, we can write cos square theta whole cube plus 2 cos raised to 4 theta plus 2 cos square theta minus 2. Okay, this line okay or not? Okay, listen. Look at here. Cos raised to 12 theta, we can write 3 cos raised to no 3 no. Okay, look at here. Cos raised to 12 theta, we can write cos raised to 4 theta whole cube. Oh, sorry, 3 here. Okay. Listen. Cos raised to 12 theta, we can write cos raised to 4 theta whole cube. 3 cos raised to 10 theta, we can write 3 cos raised to 4 theta whole square cos square theta. Correct or no? 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Then cos raised to 8 theta, we can write 3 cos raised to 4 theta cos square theta whole square. That is 4 plus 4, 8. Cos raised to 6 theta is cos square theta whole cube. Are you okay this one? Hello, check. Is it okay or not? Then I can proceed next step. Okay. Then what is this one? What is that? It is format a cube plus b cube format. Look, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Correct or no? A cube plus from the given statement, we rearrange according to a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So that is cos raised to 4 theta plus cos square theta whole cube plus, this is 2 outside, cos raised to 4 theta plus cos square theta minus 1. cos raised to 4 theta is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube plus 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 1. This is 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 1. Answer is 1. Anybody got? Okay, so copy first. So next one I'll explain here. Question number 28. Finish all? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, finish. Hello, finish or not? Okay, so we'll now we reach now 27 finished, now 28. Okay. One plus, look. Okay, 1 plus, you can see now. Okay, 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Look at, I'll show this one. Look, you multiply the numerator and denominator of its conjugate. That means 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. If it is plus, multiply with a minus. Look at here. Don't try now. 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. This step okay or not? Multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. this one 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta whole square divided by, this is a b, 1 plus cos theta whole square minus sin square theta. Okay, right up to that. 1 minus cos theta. What? No, this minus become plus for us. 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. Question. 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. Answer is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Okay. So you multiply the numerator and denominator with the 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. So you reach here, right up to here. Then I'll show you. Okay. Okay, up to here, okay or not? So now look at here. Like previous questions, look, we are going to open this one. Look, 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta sin theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus sin square theta. Okay, write this one. Write this line. Okay, write first. So then here 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 cos theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta plus 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta cos theta plus 1 divided by, look at here, this one and this one combined. What is that? 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Cos square theta plus cos square theta, 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Once again, cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. That 1 plus the 1, 2. 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta sin theta, 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta outside, cos theta plus 1. Now, here 2 outside, 2 into 1 plus cos theta plus 2 sin theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by, here 2 cos theta outside, cos theta plus 1. Okay, right up to here. Okay, right up to here. Okay. Yeah, now finished now. I did everything. You now you copy or not? Hello, copy or not? Then last step. Okay. Here this is common. 2 into 1 plus cos theta common. 1 plus 2 gone. 1 plus cos theta gone. Sin theta divided by 2 cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, 1 plus cos theta cancel, 2 cancel. Answer is what? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Anyone check this one? Okay. Finish. So now question number 29. Question number 29. I'll show this one. Okay. 30. You cannot do it. This batch now you cannot. You're not fit for that. So later, next class I'll discuss it. Okay. Okay. Once again, look at here. Last part is what Mansuri. 2 is or 2 here. Is or 2 here. This 2 here, right? Okay. 1 plus cos theta here. 1 plus cos theta here. So common is what? 2 into 1 plus cos theta common. Take it outside. So balance here 1. Sin theta alone. Here I didn't do anything. So you got 2 into 1 plus cos theta outside. 1 plus sin theta by this one. Cancel it. Okay, look at here. Who are all attending now except who's the name? Adira. Everyone should write 1 to 70 3 times each. Okay. Abhimanyu 4 times each. Then send me before 9 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. Only last page. Don't send all the pages. Okay. Last page. Show to your parents. Get the signature. Okay. Finish all the impositions and send it. In that 1 to 15 is supposed to learn for the tomorrow test. Correct or no? So nothing. No headache. Only 2 questions extra you're writing. Which one? 16 and 17. You're supposed to learn up to 15 plus 10 questions from the reader. Only clear in the group. Okay. Then for the test, your school test, you have to prepare for both chapters. Read the reader. That's why it is called reader. Okay, including summary. Then work out examples. 3 exercise questions. School notebook plus exemplar. I underline exemplar. Okay, plus our notebook. And there will be extra class Friday at 9:15. Okay, only compulsory for DPS students. ICSK also can attend it. Okay, any ICSK here? I think Jerome, right? Any ICSK here? Because they have test 4 chapters. Yeah. Okay. Then any ICSK here? I think other batch. Okay. Anyone have test? Those who have test can join. Okay. Eric. Eric. Okay. So Eric, you can attend. Okay. Because you have test 4 chapters. Chapter 1, chapter 2, AP plus quadratic equations. We are covering Friday both chapters. Okay. So Okay, this is enough today. So I will continue next class. You prepare this all. 29th, I'll show here. Okay. Lakshmi, you finish. And once again, the imposition, question number 1 to 17. Okay. Write first question number 1. Like tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 equal to 6 cos theta plus cos square theta. Work out it. Okay. 3 times question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. Don't write only one question. First question, then answer. Again, first question, answer. Again, first question, answer. Same way till 17, including 17, you work out it. 17th questions. Okay. You write a comment there. Okay, everyone should have a comment. 1 to 17, 3 times over. There, your parents to sign. Clear now. If there is no comment, again you have to write it. Clear now? Everyone clear? You should write 1 to 17, both included. Correct? 1 to 17, bracket right, both included, wrote 3 times. Then their signature of the parent. I need before 9 o'clock, otherwise, even you send the paper, I won't check it. Okay, this is enough today. All the best. Happy Eid. Enjoy your biryani and all.